Oh, it'll be alright.
No, stop. Wait.
What's here?
We need to read the names. Leave Jake to read the names, Jessie.
Daddy! Daddy, that one's for you.
Okay, this is for Mummy.
That's from you, Jake.
For Mummy, from
From-
Jake.
I.
Jessie.
Jesse's
Wait
having a
for
bigger
Jake.
hand, isn't she?
Who's this for?